So there are different ideas, and various ideas subsumed in or controlled by, and at the top is the idea of, सबसे टॉप पे है आइडिया ऑफ गुड. Ultimately everything is controlled by and is moving towards idea of good. Everything is moving towards idea of good. Humans want to be good, animals want to be good, things want to be good according to Plato, and ultimately the topmost idea is good. Plato believed that a person will not do wrong knowingly. अगर हमें पता चल जाए सही क्या है तो हम वही करेंगे, ऐसा उसका बेचारे का मानना था. लेकिन ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि जानते तो हम सभी हैं क्या सही है और क्या गलत है. इनोसेंस भी कोई चीज होती है. सो प्लेटो वॉज इनोसेंट. okay. But Plato thought that if we will know, we will not do wrong. Here when he is saying no, he means that we realized it. Knowledge is not only mental, but it is the realization. So he said that ultimately humans, animals, everyone is moving towards this idea of good. And the moment somebody knows idea of good, they become the idea of. When somebody knows the idea of good, they become the idea of good. मतलब जिसे हमारे भारतीय दर्शन में निर्वाण कहा गया है, जिसे हमने मोक्ष कहा है, something which is liberation. So basically what is liberation in Plato's philosophy? When we have known all the ideas and when we lastly know the idea of good, we basically become liberated. The soul attains its pristine pure form. हमारे जितना मैल कलेश हमने इकट्ठा किया होता है वो सब dissolve हो जाता है. It goes away and our soul becomes pure again. And now this pure soul merges itself with the idea of good because it becomes absolutely perfect. It is what is liberation, moksha, nirvana in Indian philosophy. When we will do Indian philosophy, or the people who have done it, they will understand better. Clear? Now what is this idea of good? How can you describe it? Plato says it is indescribable. You cannot describe it because in it everything is there. Whatever you can think of, everything. You see all the ideas, and at the top it is idea of good. So it is indescribable. It is something which subsumes everything. इसके अंदर सब चीजें subsumed हैं. Humans भी, objects भी, emotions भी, colors भी, जो तुम सोच सकते हो वो सब इसमें है आइडिया ऑफ गुड में. तो आइडिया ऑफ गुड को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? नॉट दिस नॉट दिस. ये नॉट दिस क्या है? नेति नेति. ये जब हम शंकराचार्य पढ़ेंगे तब समझेंगे. ये आज समझ नहीं आएगा, लेकिन ये कब समझ में आएगा? जब हम शंकराचार्य इंडियन में पढ़ेंगे तब आपको नेति नेति इतना बढ़िया समझ में आएगा कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ नेति नेति लिख लोगे तो भी वहां पे क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है.